What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For all of my Honda guys, I do apologize. This is not a Honda video, and I'm a little behind on the Honda videos, but we do have content coming up for them. Videos are ready to be made. I just got to make them. And if you're curious, that's going to be missing link, turn the boost up, all that. So that'll be fun. Stay tuned for that. But most of you are probably not Honda guys because you did not click on this video for a Honda. You clicked on the video for the truck. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be replacing the taillights on the truck. Now my tail light, like right here, we have a crack, and then that one I think is good, but I had a company called BeamTrack on Amazon reach out wanting to send me a pair of taillights. So I said, yeah, sure, send them over. We'll do a install and a review on them. And yeah, so that's why we're here. So anyway, I'm gonna take the time to show you guys how to install these and just show you how they look. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick. I'm pretty sure these look pretty similar to what we have. They may even be the exact same thing, but let's find out. Oh, cool. It comes with all new bulbs. I didn't even realize that. I need to double check. These might be LED. No, they're not. They're not LED. But, so, there's what we've got. All new wiring harness, new bulbs, and they look, that's this side. They look the same, pretty much the same. These are a little more clear. So, oh wait, no, they've got black around them too, so that'll give it a nice touch. Oh yeah. See, this one has red, this one has black, so that's gonna look sweet. All right, let's grab the other one. Should obviously be the same. And there we are. No cracks or breaks or anything, so we're good. All right, so I'm pretty sure all we have to do here is remove these two Phillips head screws. And now let's pull back on this thing. Oh, that was easy. Okay. This plugs in underneath the truck. Man, I've got some serious rust back here. All right, let me try to show you guys where this plugs in at. If you come under the truck, there's the wire. Comes out this side to this big cluster of plugs. You see this plug? It's the one above that. So we just unplugged it. Now there's like a wire harness clip up here that we're gonna have to pop loose, and then we'll pull our plug all the way through. And I believe that's the other side right here, which is this bottom one. So I guess you can go ahead and do both of those. Perfect. Glad we're replacing that. So there's your old one. So these new ones came with these on, but I'm taking those off and snapping these little nipples right into where the old one was. So let's just feed our wires in, then we'll go ahead snap this in. I'm gonna wipe before we do that. I'm gonna wipe all this off so it's nice and red. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. All right, back under we go. Well, let's make sure this works before we continue. All right, it's on. Brake test. Hopefully you can see that. Blinker. Perfect. All right. So the only thing I'm a little concerned about is the mounting screws are a little small and don't really tighten down. So I'm gonna see if I happen to have some screws that fit. Like I said, the original hardware did not fit in the new clips that were on these taillights. See, it just presses right in, so you can't tighten it, would just strip out. So you can do, what you could do is you could take these off of your old taillights and put them on the new ones. But conveniently, I happen to have a bunch of these with some nice new hardware for the Civic. So I'm gonna use these, and the Civic saves the day for me. Let's go ahead and get that swapped out here. And I just dropped one, so I'll grab another. Now what you guys have been waiting for. Yeah, that looks great. I honestly thought they were the same as the others, but they're not. They got that black ring around them, which makes them just, it gives them a lot darker of a look. And I'm super happy with that. Let's make sure our tailgate closes all right. Oh yeah, plenty of room. I mean, it's an OEM fit. One thing I will say is down here, I think it could just be my fitment, but down here, I think the taillight is kind of sunken in a little bit more than the originals, but that's just me being extremely picky. I am very pleased with the install and the look. So let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, well, as I expected, they turned out great. And the reason I say as expected is because if a company is willing to send you a set of taillights to show on your YouTube channel, that means they're probably pretty confident with them. So, now there's tons of different aftermarket taillights out there where they're just like these crazy LED, completely blacked out, this and that. And I probably would have liked that when I was 15, but I'm growing up, you know, and as you grow up, you tend to get away from all of that, how should I word it? Like just all of the different crazy mods. You start to, at least I start to lean more towards the like OEM plus look, and that is exactly what these are. You can almost, like if you didn't know what the originals looked like, you would think this is OEM, and I absolutely love that. It gives it like a darker look. You know, I've got, the theme of the truck is red and black, so that black dark ring around the outside of it is perfect. So for the price, these are great. You know, I mean, if I was replacing my taillights, this is exactly what I would buy. And if you guys need to replace your taillights, I hope this helped you make your decision, because you don't have to go out and break the bank. We'll see how long the bulbs last, but they're just normal bulbs that you can replace. So even if the bulbs don't last, the actual housing of the taillights are what they are, and they're good, and I'm happy with them. So now obviously if anything happens, like they crack randomly or something, I will let you guys know. But yeah, so like I said, like I showed you, I had to redo the bolts around it. If I happen to not have had those other clips and bolts, I would have just taken the clips right out of the old lights and put them in there. So yeah, anyway, I hope I was able to shine a little bit of light on this subject for some of you guys and help you out. Let me go ahead and pull away and show you guys what they really look like. Thank you for watching.